Today we've been invited to the Grow at St Agnes to this women workwear workshop, which is very difficult to say, and it has been fantastic because really it's just really important to get women in business together because it's a very supportive environment, especially when you're in such male-dominated industries.
Well, today we were here for this Fit for Purpose workshop, and yeah, it was absolutely fantastic to be able to get together with like-minded women who work in the same male-dominated outdoor industries and discuss some of the problems that we have with workwear, equipment, finding things that fit us and are practical and yeah, form-fitting. So yeah, just great to be able to voice those concerns with other people.
I've taken away today a really positive spirit and vibe that actually empowers women to have a say and speak up for ourselves and make a change and make a difference, not just for ourselves but for those around us.
So the main thing that I'm taking away today is that I'm not alone when it comes to trying to find workwear that doesn't fit. It's actually a problem across a lot of male-dominated industries for women.
I think it's just so validating. That's definitely something that you get out of today. Like you often feel like you're shouting into the void when you're trying to air these concerns with your male colleagues, and sometimes it feels like you're going a bit bonkers. So it's just great to be able to like share and be validated, like your feelings, and feel like it's going somewhere. Feel like actions are going to come from what you've discussed today. So yeah, that's what I've absolutely loved.
Done.
Oh, okay, good, no problem.